Yo guys, welcome back to this channel. And like I said in my previous video, that I will show you how to place a trade on this application. So when you log in on this application, through the login details that will sent to you in your Gmail, what you do is that you click on contract. A lot of people do make this mistake. I've been telling them, if you want to place a trade on this app, click on contract first. That's the rule. If you want to select pairs from here, where you have BTC here, what you be trading here is spot. So as a newbie, you might be like, since I open this trade, you know, spot is different from contract. On this spot, you are buying, it's like someone to buy crypto and keep. So in the next coming month or year, when crypto spike or keep pushing up, then you make profit and you hardly lose on this. But what you have to do here is real trading, normal trading, not spot trading. So for you to be able to do the real trading, don't make the same mistake other people have been making, because that's what they've been doing. I've been not that I didn't tell them, I told them, but they will still be stressing me with something I've already explained. So make sure you, when on the home page like this, when you come to the home page like this, click on contract first. Click on contract. When you click on contract, then you change this limit to market unless you want to place a limit order. When you change it to market, you put the amount you want to risk, or you can drag this into the last. This is the high risk contract. You understand? So this is the leverage. That's what I'm using. So when you are buying, you click on buy, not trading. If you want to sell, okay, if you want to sell, click on open short. The same thing applicable. Click on sell. So that's how it is. And if you want to close your position, okay, I think I should do that on the next video, because that should be better if I open a trade, because you can see stop limit here, you see position here. So this way you close your position. In this check this position, there are three ways you have here. The first one, the second one will be flash order, something like that. And the third one, so what you click is the flash order. So I still need to teach you guys how to place, set stop loss and take profit after opening a trade, because based on what they said on this app, you can only set your take profit and stop loss when you open a trade. So when you're setting limits, I don't like setting limits. I don't set limits. I will wait patiently for price to come to my zone. I might even set an alarm so I will not forget. If price come to that zone, I will just come into this app and aggressively execute my trade. I don't do limit stuff. So if you want to do your limit stuff, it's like I'll do that one on the next video for you. So I'll do that on the next video, how to set limit on this app. But while setting your limit, you can't set stop loss and take profit unless that market has been executed, like price tap your entry and open a trade for you automatically. Then you can come to this app and set your stop loss and take profit. So I will do how to set your limit on this app on the next video. And on the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to set take profit and stop loss, because I need to open a trade before I do that. If I don't open a trade, I can show you guys how to set take profit and stop loss. But I've shown you guys how to place a trade. So make sure you use proper risk management. You can use 100 contracts. If this place is 10, 10, this is what you can afford to lose. You can use 50, 100. 200 is too high. 300 is too high for this 30k account. For 100k account, you have this place up to 900. If you make profit on it, it will be up to 1000. Understand? On the 100k account, this place will be up to 900. The last, as you just enter to trade for the first time, as the balance is 100, what you have here is 940 something, if I'm not mistaken. And you can, the stock will be increased the more you make profit, but try to use risk management so that you won't trigger account rules. You won't trigger your daily drawdowns and or maximum drawdowns. So do want to subscribe to this channel for the, because I will upload something on, like I said, how to set stop loss, how to I'll do these things. So just click the subscribe button and turn on your notification for the next video. Thank you so much for watching.